Hey guys, and welcome to a new video. So today I'm taking a look at the Elgato Streamdeck. So the Stream Deck, for those of you who don't know, is basically a mini keyboard that is designed for streamers and folks that are looking for basically shortcuts in their video software when they're streaming. What the cool thing about the Stream Deck is that you can actually customize what is displayed on the different keys. So let's take a look at what's inside. So this is it. Basically, there's not too much to it. So the first thing you see when you open the box is the Stream Deck itself. It is securely placed in the packaging, nothing to add there. Little manual as well to help you get started, and if you actually end up buying this, you'll see that the software is so well made that there's almost no need for me to make a video guide about it, which I won't do anyway. But it's super simple to use, so I'm not even going to talk about that. So the Stream Deck is also a USB wired device, so it's not a wireless keyboard. You have to connect it to your computer through USB, and it's a type A kind of plug, so no type C here, and it cannot be removed, so you cannot switch it for another type of cable. So the Stream Deck itself is fairly tiny. Okay, let me put the box away. Right, so it's fairly small, and it sits on that kind of like a plastic holder here. It is not the super awesome best quality kind of holder, and the Stream Deck basically sits on it, but it's not like completely secure onto it. You can adjust the different levels of that little bracket thing, and so you have one big one to basically have it almost as vertical as possible. I'd say it's like a 45-degree angle. And then you have some other ones to make it smaller. On the key side now, they are very soft. It's not a mechanical keyboard feel at all. It's more like it has kind of like this rubbery feel to it. So it's not like, I don't think it's super premium actually. For the price that the Stream Deck costs, I would have expected a bit better keys. But well. On the back side, there's some small rubbers, so it doesn't move from your desk or from the little holder. And yeah, you can hear me type on the keys, and you will see if you get to try it. It's not like awesome, but at least it's silent. So if you're streaming and you have it sitting next to your microphone, nobody will hear you basically click the keys to switch angles or things like that. So let me try to play a bit with the adjustments. As you can see, it's not super great. I think mostly it's because the two little hinges at the back are just like independent. So you have like the main one, which is easy to use, and then you have the two small ones, which is kind of like, yeah, not so great. And so when you lift it up, it basically pops out and locks into different clips. There's like 4 or 5 different heights that you can choose from. And I'd say it's probably like 10, 20, 30, 45 degrees angles to the horizontal plane. So yeah, that's really basically it, I think, for the Stream Deck. There's nothing else to add for me. One thing to know, Elgato has also basically the same version of this at a bigger size. So if you don't like this 3x5 matrix here, you can get a XL one, which is basically double this in the 2 lines. So you get like a bunch of keys that you can use for absolutely anything. And then there's the mini one, or actually, do they call it? I don't really. I will put the link in the description below. The mini one has like just like 6 keys or something like that. Actually, I don't know why you would go for the mini one unless it's just a budget concern. But yeah, I think this one it's the original one, and it's, I think, a good size amount of keys sort of compromise. Oh yeah, and the chassis itself is sort of metallic, so it is fairly sturdy, and I think it's not going to break anytime soon. The one thing that would probably break first is either going to be the plastic thing that holds it if you're moving it a lot, or it will probably be just the keys themselves wearing off. But this is something I have no idea about, so I can't tell you how quickly that is going to wear off. I'm just gonna pack this back again. Meanwhile, guys, if you're watching this video, feel free to give me subscribe on the channel if you want to see more videos like that, a like on that video, and a comment. It's always appreciated. I'm just starting off on YouTube as well, so just making small unboxing videos of the things I buy or I get. So yeah, just to try to share my my personal experience with the different products, basically. So yeah. Thanks a lot for watching. I will be back soon with some other videos since I received some more stuff. I'm looking forward to show you that. Until then, have a great day, and basically I'll see you next time.